Teacher Juan at Indemus School presents Raising Caterpillar. Let's go! All you need is some color paper, scissors, markers, and straw. We're going to fold the paper. Make sure you align the sides properly. Then cut the paper following the fold line. Fold the paper in half and then fold each out to the middle. And do it again. Cut the sides. I did it rounded, but you can cut other shapes too. Unfold it and decorate it. Be creative in this part. You can draw the eyes, the nose, the mouth, cheeks, and then just make it beautiful. Do it the way you want. Now it's time to play. Blow the caterpillar from above and you'll see how it wiggles and runs. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.